Hey y'all, my name is V Jones. Welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I made this quick and easy meal for my family of four under $10, please stick around. First thing first, you want to set your oven to 400 degrees. I already had this tilapia thawing out. I put some ice in it just to keep it kind of chilled. I don't know about y'all, but I do not like doing dishes. So we're going to get us some aluminum foil, honey, and we're going to put that tilapia on top of it and just season it and get to work. Today, my baby did not want me to put her down, so I just held her with one hand and seasoned my tilapia with the next. Like my son, he jumped in. He wanted to say hey to y'all. Okay, so here I am just adding olive oil. Sometimes I do butter. You can do butter if you want to. I just did olive oil because, again, I was holding my baby and I just could not cut up the sticks of butter to put on top. Here I am just placing the tilapia into the oven. We're going to close it, and then I set a timer for 14 minutes. I actually took it out about 3 minutes later, and it was still pretty good. Okay, y'all, and right here, I'm preparing the corn on the cob. Y'all, I'm from the country, okay? So I put sugar in my corn on the cob, all right? So I did 2 spoonfuls of sugar. I'm going to add some butter, sprinkle like a little dash of salt, and then I like to stand my corn on the cob up. For me, it just keeps it from getting like really, really mushy. It just kind of gives it like a little steam because I only add a little bit of water. And then I'm just going to put it on the stove, y'all. To me, you cannot go wrong with potatoes. Right here, I have a 10-pound bag of russet potatoes, but you really can use whatever potatoes you like. That's just what I got delivered to my house. I ended up peeling about 10 potatoes. It took me like 5 minutes because, again, my little baby, she was right there by my side. So I'm just going to speed it up, y'all, because I know y'all do not want to see me peel potatoes. Folks, I really cannot stress this enough. Wash those potatoes when you are done peeling them, honey, because your hands picked up all that dust and all that dirt and all that nasty stuff, y'all. So please turn them over, toss them, flip, and do whatever you need to do. But make sure you get all the dirt off of the potatoes, okay?
That was good.
Okay, y'all, I'm sorry about all the voiceovers, but again, y'all, my background was just so loud and noisy, y'all. I got kids. I know y'all understand. But anyway, the potatoes, they're going to go on the stove. I cover them up. I put them on high to start because, again, I'm in a hurry. This is dinner before my kids go to bed. So I put it on high, and then I covered it for about 20 minutes, and I just kept checking, making sure I didn't need any more water. Look, I added way too much salt. I covered it with a lid, and I checked on my fish. My fish was ready. Also, my corn was ready at that time. So all we have to do now is just wait on the potatoes, y'all. So y'all, right here, I'm basically just taking a spoon to test and see if my potatoes are ready. If your potatoes still grab hold of the utensil, then that means they are not ready. You gotta cover them back up and let them go a little bit longer. About 10 minutes later, I checked and they were ready. So we about to plate it up, y'all. Right now, I'm just I mixed water in it, y'all. Don't do what I did. I did not have milk on hand, but I really suggest you have some milk, y'all, because it just makes the potatoes really, really creamy. But what I did, I just added water, kept on giving it a little mix around, added a little bit more water because it wasn't to the consistency that I liked it at. And then after that, it was what we wanted. Bon appetit, y'all. Let me know if you all enjoyed this recipe. Let me know what I can improve on, y'all, because I want to make it better for you guys. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all in the next video.